Focus. There she is, guys. My girlfriend's brand new car. 2012 Matrix XRS model. Let me show you. Right here. XRS. So you got the spoiler. Well, you have the 18-inch wheels, bigger. You got the chrome exhaust tips with this little thing right there. So these are usually 18, so that's what you get more. You got the sport grille. You got the 2.5 liter engine. So you got the sports grille. You got independent suspension, back and the rear. You got a torsion bar here. So yeah, pretty solid car. I'm gonna be talking more about this car. So yeah, so this is my wife's new car. She's gonna be able to move the baby along. So it's pretty nice, black with black tint windows. So yeah, there she is. Fresh, 2012 Toyota Matrix XRS. Thanks, guys.